Okay, I'm fit to get ready to clean my AC coils here. This one right here is for my upstairs. This is for my downstairs. So I got this stuff right here. Let me bring it to the camera so you can see it. I just picked this up, and you can pick this up from any of your hardware stores, but it's called Cleaner. Or you can order it online. I'll put a link in the description below. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to clean these coils. And you probably should do this if it's out in a dirty place. You probably want to do this maybe once a year, but if it's in an area like this, I don't have a lot of dust or anything. You probably do it once every 2-3 years. But I'm gonna show you how easy it is to clean it. First, what you want to do, you have these boxes right here. You want to disconnect your power. So I'm gonna zoom in here and just show you where it's at. And if you don't have one of these on the outside of your house, you can go to your breaker box and disconnect it. But this is your 220. Make sure no walls or nothing in here. And what you want to do is just grab this and pull it out. You see my unit went out, and I'm gonna do my other one also. Just grab this, pull it out. And that disconnects your 220. So I'm gonna take these screws out. I'm gonna go here from the side. Just lift this off slowly. As you can see, we got some little leaves and grass and everything. Gonna rinse that out, and I'm gonna go get my wet vac and just suck some of this out at the bottom. You don't have to, but if you can see those coils, it ain't too dirty, but still don't hurt to clean it. Okay, now we're gonna take this cleaner here and shake it really well. I'm gonna spray it on the inside and let it sit for a couple of minutes, a few minutes. And you want to hold it straight in as you can to get into the coils. As you turn it upside down, it's not going to spray. Okay, we're going to let it sit here for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Then we're going to take the water hose and spray it down. Not high pressure, just use a water hose. Don't use no pressure washer or anything like that. Okay, we're gonna put it back together. After you finish putting your top on, you can put your power switch back in and it should work fine. But that's how you clean your AC condenser. Like I said, you could do this probably once a year. If it's not in a bad spot, you might could do it once every 2 years. So thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.